And guys, hello, gawa na naman po tayo ng tiramisu. Ito po yung ating whipped cream, may egg yolk at saka sugar and vanilla essence. Ito po yung ating mascarpone cheese. Ano, ihahalo natin dito. Tapos ito yung ating ladyfinger biscuit. Tapos ito yung ating half liter of water, warm water of coffee and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, let's start to make. Good look at that. And guys, ito po yung ating ladyfinger. May soak na po natin dito sa ating coffee. You have to soak it here and then arrange like this. Then this is our butter, so put on top and you make tiramisu. So like this, we cover already all the surface. Then we make another layer of ladyfinger. Just put like this. Make it another cross side. Okay, so we make it 3 layer of this, then it's done. So yan guys, second layer na tayo. Lagyan na naman tayo sa ibabaw nito. So second layer is done. Let's put the last layer of tiramisu. This is the ladyfinger, so we put it like this way at the other side again. So guys, this is the last layer, then it will be done, our tiramisu. So guys, it's done now, our tiramisu. We will keep it frozen. Then tomorrow we will put cocoa powder on top. Okay, let's put it here inside the meat freezer. Okay, put the pitag.